you pretty much need a 2-inch wheel spacer, which I went with 1.5-inch wheel spacer. Now we'll reinstall the sway bar line. The walls of that thing started going up. Why is it not charging? Alright guys, Scott here for After Hours Automotive. Got Simply Living 770 in the house today. Actually, I'm in his house technically. Yeah. But we got a quickie for you guys. Not between us, but a quickie on the air conditioning here. So check this out. Jonathan here has this, what is this, like a 2016-17 camper? 15. A 15 gray wool, something or another. All of these tow behind campers have these all contained AC units that have all the refrigerant and everything in it, and all you do is wire it in, mounted to the ceiling like this, are going to have a similar type setup. This trailer came with a Dometic AC system that Jonathan here has replaced. Is this the third time? This is the fourth time replacing it. Twice under warranty, once not under warranty.
3 times under warranty. This is the first time not.
3 times under warranty. And when he decided he was going to have to pay for it, he decided he was not going to go back with something that he's had to replace 3 times within 4 years.
If I'm going to put my own money into it, I'm getting what I want. Something that hasn't screwed up 3 times already.
So Jonathan's research led him to believe that the Coleman unit was going to be more reliable and move more air, and it had a higher BTU rating and such. Well, I'm the mechanic, and he's trying to pop this thing on his camper real quick, and he called me and he said, hey man, we got this thing on here, the fan's blowing strong, air's coming out of it, it's got voltage and all this, but the air is not cool, the compressor won't kick on. So I did all the research here on the forums to try to see if we could come up with some solution for it without buying a bunch of adapters or a new thermostat and the control board that is inside this box. So here is my quickie for you guys. Dometic system, Dometic box, Dometic thermostat right there over there on the wall. It's a 3-button, I think. This is not the 5-wire system. This is a 3-wire thermostat.
I checked it the other day.
And so, pop the Coleman unit on here, no cold air. Now, I'm not going to tell you the Dometic shows this yellow wire here, which is coming from the unit harness. This is the new harness that came on his unit that he just bought, and so to attach it to the old board, he spliced in this old one off of the Dometic unit and wired it into the Coleman wiring harness because it had all the same wire colors. You guys need to know that the Dometic yellow wire, not the green and yellow wire, but the yellow wire for the Coleman unit is a common wire. It goes to the white wires. So you're going to have to cut that yellow wire out of this harness, and I just have this black wire running through here, and it's into the wire splice. And we are blowing nice, I wish you could see snowflakes. We have air conditioning. So you guys who are popping a Coleman unit on here thinking you're not going to have to spend a bunch of money on wiring and such, you might be right. Thanks for watching.
Gotta have Jack Daniels. Always. Scott's over here cutting wood. This is our makeshift fire pit.
Bacon and eggs and biscuits on this here fantabulous fire. Alright guys, be sure and hit that like button if you like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see in the near future. Thanks. See ya.